Alright guys, we're gonna get this room clean. Clean this rug again. Hope you guys enjoy the Dirt Devil vacuuming. Like I say, oh, you know what guys, I forgot. I gotta get in the bathroom. I gotta vacuum in the bathroom right fast or I forget. Never a dull moment, guys. I always gotta remember to clean by the beside the bathtub. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video of the Dirt Devil Power Max. In just a few minutes there will be a video coming up with the possibly the Shark True Pet Rotator guys. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna take a break right now and we'll get to the next one.